Oh, hello students, welcome. So, in the last class, we have already discussed about the cumulative, in the preceding two classes, that is, we have already discussed about the cumulative frequency table. Now, the same table can be interpreted graphically, and we got to plot our graph. From there, we will be able to extract various information, and basically, what we'll do is we'll compute the mean from the graph itself. Sorry, not the mean, median. Okay. So I have taken the same old data that I have been taking for the preceding examples. So this is a less than type distribution. Less than 10, frequency 5, cumulative frequency 5. 5 plus 3, 8. This is how it goes. 8 plus 4, 12. Hope you all remember this from the preceding lecture. Now what we'll do is we'll plot this class interval versus cumulative frequency. Okay. Now you will take now this is up to 10, then this is 10 to 20, this is 20 to 30, this is 30 to 40, so on and so forth, isn't it? So we are plotting this 10, 20, 30. So upper limit is 20, upper limit is 30, upper limit is 40, so on and so forth. We are plotting this. So 10 and 5. So check 10 and 5. We'll plot 10 and 5 in the graph. So here we have 10 in the x-axis. In the x-axis we have taken the marks obtained, that is the class interval, and in the y-axis we have taken the cumulative frequency. So we'll have to plot 10 and 5. So 10 and 5 will be somewhere here, isn't it? 10 and 5. My graph will not be ideally, ideal. It won't be perfect because I am drawing it on a whiteboard with I have tried to maintain precision, but it will not be precise. You try to buy graph paper if possible during this lockdown phase. If not possible, then try to make a rough graph having maximum precision in your exercise copy itself. But it's better if you buy a graph, because in your exams you have to do this in your graph paper. So 10, 5. Next will be 20 and 8. So 28, I have to plot 28. So 20 is here, 8 will be somewhere here, close to 10. Then we have 30 and 12. 30 and 12. 12 will be somewhere here. Then 40 and 18. 40 and 18. 18 will be somewhere here. Then we have 50 and sorry, I have made a mistake, I suppose. Because of the size of the board, everything gets messed up. 4 and 12, so it's 40 and 15. It's 15. Have I made a mistake here? So 5, 10 and 5, 20 and 8, 30 and 12. So 30 and 12 is somewhere here. 40 and 15. So 40 and 15 will be somewhere here. 40 and 15. Then we'll have 50 and 18. So 50 and 18. 18 will be almost close to 20. So I have already said my graph will not be perfect. 18, 60 and 22. 60 and 22. 60 and 22 will be somewhere here. 70 and 29. 70 and 29. Then we have 80 and 38. 80 and 38. Then we have 90 and 45. 90 and 45 will be somewhere here. Then 90. Sorry, it has to be ideal, but my graph is not so ideal. I am just giving you a gist how to plot. 153. Then 153 will be somewhere here. So we have got our points. Now what we will do is with free hands we will join these points. Okay, with free hands I have joined this point. So whatever curve you get, you use free hands, and this is called here, the distribution is less than type. So this is called less than ogive. Okay, this is called less than ogive. So how do you know the median? Now to know the median, we know median is equal to n by 2. So this will be 53 by 2, that will be 26.5. Sorry, 26.5. So 26 point, you take from the graph, 26.5 will be somewhere here. So you just draw a horizontal line, then drop it vertically. See, this will be your median. So what we had got around 66. So that is what we are getting, around 66. Since my graph is not so perfect, still I am getting around 65, 66, isn't it? So that is what we had got, around 66. So this is how you extract the median out of the graph. So basically what we will do, you will you will plot the class in the upper limit of the class interval versus the cumulative frequency. Whatever you get, you draw the points, and you just use your free hand to join the points, and you will get a curve like this. So this is a less than ogive. Now you know how to calculate the median. You got 26.5 from the y-axis. You just draw a line like this. It will meet at this point. Drop it vertically. This will be your median. Are you understanding it? This will be your median. Hope you remember we had got 66 point something. Here also we are getting the same thing. We will get the same thing actually if our scale is absolutely perfect. Now when you draw the graph, you always have to write the scale. On the x-axis I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10 max. And on the max. And on the y-axis I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to how many 10 students. Are you understanding? 1 centimeter is equal to 10. So this is how you do. So hope this is done. Now what we'll do is, in the next class we can plot the same for a more than type also, more than type distribution also. And after having discussed that one last topic, we'll stop our discussion on statistics then, and we'll move to some other chapter. So this is very, very important from my examination point of view. I have seen questions being asked from less than ogive only. Okay, so please go through this properly. Please solve the questions. If you have any doubts, do let me know. Thank you so much.